Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future traded. All our videos for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal. As long as you are on SIM, we're not responsible for your trades. Today is much easier than yesterday. Yesterday was horrible. Today we are going straightforward up, and an estimation we consider taking a profit at 6902 for the morning session, and the institutional numbers are way far out. I don't know if we are able to hit by 11 o'clock the 6929 and the 6943. It seems like we are very far from it. We never know. The market is full of surprises. On the Nasdaq should be arrive around 11 o'clock, the 25,091 and the 25,158. So here it is. Speaking of a devil, here it is. It's coming, and it's coming on target one, profit taken, and target two, profit taken. Wow, it is amazing. We just said maybe it's too far, and here it is. Um, Target one, target two, profit taken in those numbers. Beautiful, beautiful today. Yesterday was a nightmare. Amazing, amazing. You can see how the market hit the target one almost. Profit taken. Amazing day. At the target one, profit taken, profit taken. Re-entry on the Nasdaq 24883. Re-entry on the ES 6870. Amazing. Nasdaq is up 17,000 on the auto trade. It's amazing. On the Nasdaq, this is the re-entry, and the second re-entry is 24,794. This is the first re-entry long, and this is the second re-entry 24,791. There is the first re-entry on the ES 6875, and the second re-entry 6866. It was precisely where we estimate the re-entry. It's right there, and this is the second re-entry long. Both we got them right. This is very good. Perfect re-entry and perfect re-entry. You can see how the Nasdaq hit target one institutional number and a profit taken, and the market dropped. And the same thing on the ES institutional number and dropped. So this is really right. Today the market is working perfectly. This market, and we're going up. We still have a long way to go long. We put precise re-entry on the chart, on the where you need to re-enter the ES and Nasdaq. Today the market is working beautifully. Yesterday the market was It was a play in the market. It was something wrong yesterday. Your indicators were saying something, and the market was going different directions. So today is much better day using the same indicators, the same chart, the same auto trade, but totally different results today. It will be nice if we can cross the target one on the Nasdaq and ES. Then we can hit target two, also profit taking on target two. Another re-entry. A little weakness in the market. It just we are okay. Now you cannot re-enter the market. The first call we did to re-enter the market on the yellow numbers. Now you cannot do that anymore. You cannot re-enter the market on 6881 because the market losing momentum right now. There is a good potential for 6866, and there is a good potential for 24,793 to go long. But right now, yeah, you should not be taking short, neither long on those re-entry. You should be skipping it. The markets start getting weak, and there is no use to re-enter the market at 24,921. We did the re-entry once, but we cannot do this twice. Now here, there is a lot of support area in here. This is an excellent place, and there is a lot of support area in here as well. So you can re-enter the market at 24,807 and or at 6,865. Those are a very good re-entry, but oh, okay. Thank you, Ben. Okay, that's why probably the market took big step. Thank you. I don't have the luxury when I'm on YouTube to see the news. Neither I can share the news on the YouTube. So uh, thank you for telling me. But despite that, the market is getting weak, but we have a lot of support. So this is the only two entries, 24,807 as a re-entry long and 6,865 as a re-entry for the ES. So those the only two re-entry we have. So the market will turn around from those areas. So be careful. I would not advise to go short. It's too early to go short. There is no ground for the re-entry in this area here. There is no ground. The only re-entry is here and here. There is no ground. What happened here on the market turnaround from this area here? We have a couple fibs in here, but this is not a place where you can re-enter the market. So don't fall into this trap. Stay on those entry. They are safer. The 6866 and the 2407 808. Those are the genuine re-entry. Stay long, no short. Be careful, it might be rejected again from target one institutional number. Be careful. Institutional target, we hit it the first time, 6928. It might reject again from the institutional number and the 25,088. It is also institutional number. It might reject one more time. Be careful. Usually target 1 and target 2 comes around 11 o'clock. We already hit target 1 plus minus 10 minutes. The target 2 is 25,157 and the target 2 on the ES 69.43. Now is 10:26. Most likely we will hit this one, those numbers by 11 o'clock, plus minus 5-10 minutes. It's going up. Don't get scared. As we see, those are the re-entry from the yellow number, but I'm not gonna call those re-entry because the market is getting weaker and it is a matter of time before they break the re-entry. Once they break the re-entry, we are coming to this area here, 6865, and for the Nasdaq, they're coming all the way down to the 24,789. The market having a problem holding above those two yellow number and is getting weak. Let's see if this, you can see they are both on this number. This number here, the yellow number, it is a re-entry, and but right now is holding on those numbers, waiting on the traders to push the market up or down. So we don't know where we're going from here on the Nasdaq and ES. All your indicators showing long, yes, but let's see if those numbers are able to hold. Let's see if they are. Um, but I can see the market movement. Uh, there are a weakness a little bit right now in the market. The Nasdaq broke this yellow number. We use it as a re-entry. Above that number is long, below that number is short. So right now the Nasdaq lost it, and I can see the ES is going to lose it again, indicating the first support area 24,914 uh, is risky, but we'll see what happens. This is the first support area on the Nasdaq, but the market is going south. Despite your indicator showing long, despite the buyers over the sellers, the market movement is showing is lost it. Let's see if able to um, hold a little bit back, or is it only short, short, short? Okay, you can see from the market analyzer, the boat is sinking, and now you can see all in red, the 1 and 3 minutes in red, across all the moving averages, and now we have short actually. We have a short trade in here, um, market order short, and your target is where I put buy 6865 and 24,789. Those are your target on the short trade with the ES and Nasdaq. It's just short. Be careful you don't have long anymore. It's going down to those target. 24,789, you can take a profit. And on the ES, 6865, profit taken on those numbers. Stay short on both. We're going down. There is no long trade. Be careful. If the ES close above that resistance, we are back to the long trade. If the ES close above, we need to see the bar close above that resistance, then we are back into the long. You need to wait till the bar close. We need to see this bar close above that resistance line, and then there is now the market analyzer turn around to green, the buyers over the seller, the market recovered, and now we have long trade in here, and we have a long trade in here as well. The market couldn't handle it. There is no more trades. The market couldn't stay above those numbers, so there is no more trades in the market at the moment. There is no more trades. And the market collapsing again. There are no more trades. The market cannot stay holding above that resistance line is not able, is cannot stay above that line 6900. This is not good. So there is no more trades. The heavy resistance is preventing the ES to keep going forward. We need a lot of push to stay above those resistant area. Despite the market analyzer from 1 to 30 minutes long, the buyers over the seller, the ES having a problem maintain above the 6904. Despite everything is positive, but the ES not able to maintain above the 6904, and this is not good. Should be long trade in here. Everything showing is long, and the ES is having a problem stay above that area here. So we, despite all the indicators are positive, still cannot maintain above 6905. The Nasdaq is doing very fine. Actually, the Nasdaq, uh, we just need the ES to stay above that line here. Then we will be in a good shape for long. And now we are finally. Now it's 10:44. We expect to hit the target 2 by 11 o'clock and target 2 by 11 o'clock, plus minus 5-10 minutes. If the ES able to stay above those double, used to be resistant, now double support, we're gonna deactivate those two. You can enter the ES now if you want to, but there is a resistance a little bit above. So it's a small trade, it's not a big trade. It's gonna drop a little bit, pull back. We're still in a long position. Just a pullback. Re-enter from the double support again, from the double resistance used to be, and now it is double support. So this is a re-entry, 69.05, 69.06, and probably the target is right there. Right here is the target, 6928. The problem is we have a double resistance ahead, so we're not sure the market is strong enough to break. So it's very tight. Plus, we are between the two yellow line, and this is where you don't enter the market again. The Nasdaq, be careful. It's going to be another profit taking at 25,090. The institutional number should be hidden by 11 o'clock. 25,157 is right there. So we see what happened. The Nasdaq is going to the institutional number 25,159. By 11 o'clock, we should be hitting that number. I'm not sure about the ES. This is your morning target, is right here. Right there. This is your target for the Nasdaq. This is the morning session. Profit taken on target one. As we expected, it was going to do this one more time. So you're gonna see some pullback on the Nasdaq a little bit, not much. And we have a re-entry on the ES at 6904. This is your re-entry on the ES. The double resistance on the ES really preventing the market to go further up because we have this double resistance. Most likely the ES is going to maintain by 11 o'clock to target one. And I think the Nasdaq is going to accomplish the target two by 11 o'clock. So this is where the morning session ends. at 25,158. The Nasdaq is climbing to the final destination. Now it's 10:52. Should be arrive around 11 o'clock. This is another last entry on the Nasdaq. It's between the two yellow line. You should not enter the market anymore. And we are coming at target 2 by 11 o'clock. And this is the morning destination for the Nasdaq. It's a difficult area to cross on the Nasdaq, but the market is very strong and it will hit the target too. You can see the ES. That's why I'm sure we're not gonna hit target two because this ES not able to cross this hard area, the double resistance. Despite all your indicators are positive, the buyers over the seller, technically everything is okay, but it's really struggling market to cross this double resistance where the Nasdaq is climbing directly to the institutional number, and it is 10:53, so it will arrive by 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock, I'm sorry. And this is where the expectation 11 o'clock plus minus 5-10 minutes, the institutional numbers should be achieved. And we are climbing slowly. We still have 6 minutes to hit the 25,158. The ES is struggling with this double resistance, but we need a little push on the ES for the Nasdaq to climb fast on the target institutional number 25,158, and then there is a profit taken on the institutional number two. We're gonna hit it. It's gonna go up. We're going to hit it. It's getting stronger. The ES is still struggling with this double resistance, but it will hit target one again. And it hit it earlier, and now should arrive at the target one, the ES, and the Nasdaq should arrive in 5 minutes to the 25,158. It's extremely strong market. What is holding is the ES, struggling with the double resistance on the ES. So we'll see what happens. The market is strong to the upside. Don't be scared. Now it's 10:56. We should hit target 2 plus minus 10 minutes by 11 o'clock. Still much easier than yesterday. Yesterday was the market was going one direction and the indicators going the opposite directions. Today, at least they are working together today, and much better than yesterday. Believe me, yesterday was a nightmare. I'm gonna take extra 5 minutes to see how the market going to end. We need desperately the ES crossing those double resistance. This is what has been holding the market right here, the double resistance on the ES, and it seems like it's taking a slap and it's going to the re-entry right here at 6905. This is the re-entry, and that's what is really holding the market. So it didn't achieve it now, but it might. It's plus minus 5-10 minutes. So still the market strong, and let's wait. I'm not gonna close right now. I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes to see if we can achieve target 2. The market is strong on the Nasdaq, and the ES is just taking a slap and going back to the 6904. This is it. This is it. It's coming. Here it is. We said around 11 o'clock, plus minus 5 minutes, and it's coming to that number. And here it is. It's coming. And the ES is going to stay on target one for now. And this is it. It's going to hit it within a couple minutes. We say thank you very much, and we wish you a very nice weekend, and God bless everyone. Bye for now.